Welcome back. We are now on to multiplication, and we are going to use the array and area method first. So this one is another visual learning, much like my last subtraction video, but this one's pretty cool, I think. And this is better for small numbers, hence why we're using 5 times 4, nice and easy. So what we're going to do first is going to draw 5 vertical lines. Vertical and 5 mainly for the big number 5, the first one, and vertical because you'll see in a minute. So 1 vertical, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, so there is our 5 vertical lines. Okay, now we're going to do 4 horizontal lines because we are going to make a grid. Alright, so we're going to do 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, now here's the fun part. What we are going to do is count the intersections. So this area right here, where the 2 lines meet, we're going to count. Alright, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to do this step for every intersection in the grid, okay? 3, 4, and 5. What we're going to do after we're done counting these, or drawing these on, is we're going to count them. And that will equal our answer. And this is because when you cross sticks and make an intersection, and the intersection represents the number of times that one line goes into another. So that's why we did the 5 red and the 4 blue. Alright, so we're going to count up our black dots. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, and that is our answer. 20. Alright, and this can work for any multiplication problem, really. Here, let's do another one, actually. Alright, 3 times 2. Alright, we're going to do the 3 vertical sticks. 1 for the first number, 2, 3. Then we're doing 2 horizontal sticks, 1, 2 for the last number. Okay. And now we're going to count the intersections again. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And there is the answer. 6. Make sure we circle it for the teacher.